Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make steak and mushroom pie. So let's get started.
I've got here 3 cups of beef stock, or you can use chicken stock, 500 grams of mushrooms which I have cut into thin slices, 1.5 kilos of rump steak which I have cut into cubes, 8 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of plain flour, 1 large onion cut into small pieces, 3 medium carrots cut into small cubes, 1 tablespoon of mixed dried herbs, 4 cloves of grated garlic, salt to taste, freshly ground black pepper, 6 puff pastry sheets which I have defrosted, a cooking spray, a baking tray lined with baking paper, or you can use a pie maker. Place a non-stick fry pan on high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Add 1/3 of the beef pieces and cook it until it is brown all over and take it out in a dish. Repeat this with the remaining steak. Decrease the heat to medium, add remaining oil and heat it. Add onions, give it a mix and cook it until translucent. Add carrots and garlic. Give it a mix and cook it for 2 minutes. Add mushrooms, give it a mix and cook it for another 2 minutes. Add flour, give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. Add beef, dried herbs, pepper, salt and beef stock. Give it a mix, put a lid on and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, give it a mix, lower the heat, put the lid back on, leaving a small gap for the steam to escape and cook it for 30 minutes or until the sauce thickens slightly, stirring it frequently. After 30 minutes, give it a mix and taste your salt. It doesn't need any more salt, but you can always add it according to your taste. Turn the heat off, take it out in a dish and let it cool down completely. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees if it is a fan-forced oven and 200 degrees if it is a conventional oven. Take 1 puff pastry sheet at a time and cut it in half. Place 2 heaped tablespoons of pie filling in the bottom half of the pastry, leaving a 1 centimeter gap around the edges, and brush it with some water. Fold the top half over the filling and press the edges with your fingers, and then press it with a fork to seal. Spray the bottom of the pie with some cooking spray and place it on the baking tray. Use a knife to make small cuts on the top to allow steam to escape. Spray the top of the pie with cooking spray and repeat this process. Bake the pies for 25 minutes or until the pastry is golden brown in color. Take it out of the oven and let it rest for 5 minutes. My steak and mushroom pies are ready and you can serve them to family and friends. Enjoy!
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.